Machines should be durable, precise, fast. Kimla pushes the limits on all three. They produce the fastest, strongest, and most accurate CNC machines in the world. No investor influences, no shortcuts, just an obsession with speed, accuracy, and resilience. This is what specialty machinery looks for in partnerships. Because we don't just sell equipment, we help build shops, teams, and legacies. Specialty machinery only deals in high quality, and Kimla only produces high quality. You can feel that in every Kimla machine. A partnership of mutual respect was forged, and some of the world's best CNC machines have now come to North America. The Madonna, small footprint, industrial backbone, perfect for high-mix, fast-paced shops. The Regency, built like a tank, welded, gusseted steel frame, box-style Z-axis for strength, power, and uncompromising precision. The Veyron, a knife table that redefines speed. With the optional maglev drive system, you can achieve speeds that others can't with perfect accuracy. The Power Cut, Kimla's flagship fiber laser, built fully in-house, from software to maglev motion to the intelligent cutting head. No compromises, no limits. Specialty machinery isn't just Kimla's North American importer. We're your pit crew. From day 1 to year 10, we're right there. Because when machines are built with purpose and backed with trust, every shift runs smarter, every cut is cleaner, every job gets done right, and your bottom line grows stronger. Kimla delivers the future. Specialty machinery takes you there.